The dog is back, nigga, the dog is back, nigga, the dog is back. The dog is back. The dog is back, nigga, the dog is back, nigga, the dog is back. The dog is back, nigga, the dog is back, nigga, the dog is back, nigga, the dog is back. The dog is back. It's the dog is dog. It's the dog up from all. The dog is back, dog. I'm quick to break them all, but they really ready for the dog to hit the scene. Kill you EDOG niggas since I still got a dream. Work good with a bean. Game is like a bustle. Open your eyes, cause man, I keep on hustling. See this man, I do it for real. Kill you EDOG, better watch how I live. When I grab the mic, nigga, I know I go tight, so don't get mad, player and hater. Don't try to fist fight. You better understand. I don't carry no K, I keep it real, let me show you like NWA, niggas with attitude, so man, get you my right, let's kill you EDOG, I'm flying straight through this night, 2014, nigga, I still got my dream, on the microphone, kill you working with that beam, nigga, aiming at your head, don't want to see you dead, on this microphone, I hate it, don't be talk to the fed, you want to see me gone, I got a job to praise, I got to keep it for real, cause I'm ready to spray, I'm ready to spray this music, still ain't even ready to music, instead of choosing girls, they going crazy. Don't got time. I got a wife at home, niggas. I'm still on my grind, cause I thought I told you, boy. Playing with a soldier. The dog is back, niggas, and y'all can't hope it. Y'all forgot the dog never even left on this microphone to put me on the shelf. You wanna holler? The dog is back, nigga. I thought I told you. The dog is back, nigga. I thought I told you. The dog is back, nigga. I thought I told you. The dog is back, nigga. I thought I told you. The dog is back. Nigga, I thought I told you. The dog is back, nigga. I thought I told you. The dog is back, nigga. So when I scream, you better scream that, nigga, DOG. The rest of my back, kill you EDOG. Nigga, know where I'm at. If you really want to see me, you can find me in that hood. You better understand, I stay posted in this all good. Nigga, don't even trip. I don't slip. I don't get high, nigga. I don't even sip. The only thing I do is drop rhymes up in the studio. Niggas, my own mind. You know it's mine, grinding like a muscle, call me credible, cause I'm ready to hustle, and y'all ain't ready, boss. I'm Pete Bull, I'm ready to shake some when I walk through the hood. I walk with a limp, but I ain't no pimp. I'm on this microphone, stay sin scrimp. Grits, eggs, and bacon, I thought I told you. You're playing with me, boy, you know I'm a soldier. I still no quit, niggas, I flip hot round, cause I'm ready to get around, I'm ready to get down. So sit back and listen, man. One more time, the dog is back, nigga, the dog is back. The dog is back, my nigga, the dog is back. Yeah, the dog is back. The dog is back. The dog is back, nigga. The dog is back. The dog is back, y'all. The dog is back. Y'all don't understand it just like that. The dog is back, nigga. Dog is back. Shoot, my nigga, DMS, hold your head up. Y'all niggas don't feel the dog. Leave the dog alone. Let the dog roam here. Find their way home. Man, they through the jungle, through the stomach worry. Open your eyes, keep it with me, still kind of chilling. I know they don't like it, man. The way I rhyme, the way that I speak, niggas, it's all done time. And this is freestyle. Don't fall wild. Don't let it trip my eyes. Fight the cry. And every time I hit the mic, they be laughing. Just open your eyes, cause man, you know I'm hungry. You see me? I'm gonna attack on my neck. I'm an OG. It's on my stomach and where they reach. Kill you EDOG, nigga. Still that veteran. Kill you EDOG, my nigga. I keep on hustling. So open your eyes and realize what it say. Kill you EDOG, nigga. I'm still getting paid. The dog is back, nigga. Dog is back, my nigga. What? The dog is back, my nigga. To what? The dog is back, my nigga. What? The dog is back, nigga. The dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back, my nigga. To understand, the dog is back, my nigga. Y'all don't like it. The dog is back, my nigga. To understand, the dog is back, my nigga. A grown man. The dog is back, my nigga. And I ain't playing. The dog is back, my nigga. Dog is back. So give my respect, nigga. Know I'm a dog. I don't understand. I've been breaking them out. They don't even like it, but I don't give a what. The dog is back, niggas. It's time to act up. So when I nut up, nigga, that's from my hood. Now open your eyes to realize it's all good. I see the police watching me from a distance. They still can't judge me, so niggas quit tripping. You know I walk, nigga. My nigga boosting. Now hold your head up, nigga. I'm shooting a movie. That live video coming right to your eyes. You better realize this niggas real thirds don't cry. So feel my pain, nigga. Walk through my city. Now open your eyes and everything ain't pretty. Tallulah where I'm from, nigga, hold it high. Got to keep it for real, cause nigga, this ain't no lie. So if you even ready, boy, come on down to my cousins, don't hold your head up, I get around. I miss you, dog, and you know that I love you. My grandma and granddad, the rest of peace, I keep hustling. I thought I told you, boy, fuck with a soldier. This dog is back, nigga. Thought I told you. And y'all ain't ready, boy, for the hot boy thing. 318-574, nigga, I still do my thing. This dog is back, nigga. Dog is back. This dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back. This dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back. This dog is back, my nigga. Dog is back. The dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back. The dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back. The dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back. The dog is back, my nigga. Dog is back. The dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back. The dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back. The dog is back, huh? Scratch my back and I don't even trip, man. I relax and at the same time rubbing my head. Don't understand, nigga. I'm still common bread. It feels so good, man. Fall through my hood to understand, man. Get it understood. My nigga Rossies, man, core with well. Keep on doing your thing, my niggas, we gonna bail. We start to see haters, though. Don't like it. Wave peace to your boy, and you better not bite it. You can't even stop me, Woden. You can't hold it. You must forgot, nigga, I'm a down south soldier. I do this thing, boy. To the end, I'm 34, nigga. I'm flossing, not no Benz. I'm flossing, nigga, on the YouTube. I'm on Facebook and I'm acting a fool. So how you want it, boss? A hot boy. You really want a nigga come and play with them toys? I'm a grown man, baby. I don't trip. I keep it real. Real niggas don't even slip. I thought I told you, bruh, but not twice. I told you once, nigga, you don't want that life. You're playing with this dog, boy. Get your mind right. This pen and pad and I'll scare you tonight. Cause I'm so cool on this mic. Beats up in the ride through the yo, nigga, you don't hear no beat on my job. Niggas say acapella all the time. Kill your EDLG, my niggas I still ride. So Pete, when you're ready, huh? Holler at me. I'm still down south, nigga, I stood like a G. So when I stand up, nigga, stand up for real. This dog is back, nigga, I ain't playing out here. This dog is back, my nigga. What? This dog is back, my nigga. What? The 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 dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back, my nigga. What? The dog is back, my nigga. The dog is back, my nigga. What? The dog is back, my nigga.